Hey guys, what is up? I'm doing the castle now, and looks like there's a rope up the top there. I'm supposed to get that. Yep, and climb on it. Ouch. No! Okay, I never knew that. I can't believe I never knew all this stuff, and I've already done the game. I'm holding the rope with one arm. I just got Luigi's Mansion 2, so I'll show you that in probably next episode. I have to wait here to get that coin. Damn! I did that all with just a tiny guy. When I did it with a big guy, I just went. We all learn from our mistakes. No. Okay, I'm just going to skip that coin. I'll come back later and get it. Oh, well, I'll try one more time to get it, but if I fail, I'm not going to try. I'll do it later. And then, next minute, oh my gosh, I got it, but I died. You know, I have to wait. Come on, I'm tired of you. Yes, I did it. Finally. I'm sure I was like a good YouTuber, and I know how to do better stuff on YouTube. Wow, what's on top of that cloud? Oh. Secret place. Wow. I have to walk all that way. There we go. There's a star coin. Okay, so that was the second one. Now I just have to find the third one. And we're done. Whoop, whoop. Come on. I think I did that like perfectly. There's like something up there, but I just can't see it. Okay, maybe you had to die in that. Come on, guy. You can do better than that. No, I'm just kidding, you can't. Because you suck, you're like a loser. Damn. I don't know why I did that. But, okay. I'll just do it. No power-ups. Except for a leaf. Come on, hurry up, you stupid feather of raccoon. Oh, wait, I got all the coins. Oh. Oh, I did not notice we started. Because I was, like, rubbing my eye. It's enough spinning. Come out of your shell, you wiener. Wow, the walls are moving closer. Bam! That was really easy. Jump. Okay, guys, yeah, that was World 1. Do World 2 in the next episode. But first of all, I'm gonna do the cannon. Oh my gosh, it's some green guy. Don't shake your butt at me, I'll kill you. Okay, guys. Let's do the desert world next. It's just such a scaredy cat. Hurry up. Back to World 1. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's do the cannon. Oh, wait, no. We've already done the cannon. Okay. Such a failure to me. But let's do Desert World. Okay, guys. See you in the next episode when I do World 2, 1. See you guys later. Bye.